Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cut the Rope application on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, and once you are in, go ahead and open up the App Store on your iOS. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in Cut the Rope and search. Once you find the Cut the Rope physics puzzle game from Zeptolab, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID or your Touch ID or your Apple ID password. And right after, this will start the download process. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can open up the app and start playing the game. So that's how you easily download and install Cut the Rope application on your iOS device, whether you are using iPhone or iPads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.